a big oval for the head, slightly tilted. Draw a big smiling mouth, and a cute cheek circle on one side. Now add 2 small circles for the eyes, and a round nose with 2 dots. Let's draw a simple triangle-like body under the head. Now, add 2 small legs with boots pointing in opposite directions. Draw 2 curved arms on each side, like she's happily waving. Add a small curly tail on the side. Draw a horizontal line to show the ground where she's walking. Let's decorate the bottom with a few tiny flowers and grass. Finally, add fluffy clouds in the sky to complete the scene. Make the drawing more visible.